Are you looking for the best camera drone in 2025? Whether you want stunning 4K footage, ultra portability, or cutting-edge features, we've tested the top drones so you can find the perfect match for your aerial photography needs. Stay tuned to see which one soars above the rest. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Axis. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Air 3S. This drone is nearly perfect, except it's tricky to find in the US without ordering directly from DJI, where the older Air 3 might be easier to get. Still, the Air 3S packs a punch with dual cameras, a 50-megapixel 1-inch main sensor, 24mm EFL, and a 48-megapixel 1.3-inch telephoto lens, 70mm EFL, vastly expanding creative options like subject tracking and surveys. It features 42 gigabytes internal storage, smooth flight control, and impressive low-light performance, backed by a 112,800 ISO range. A new LiDAR-based low-light collision system enhances safety, while AI tracking, waypoints, and strong battery life elevate it beyond bigger drones like the Mavic 3 Pro. For those needing versatile aerial imaging or occasional surveying, the Air 3S is a modern, affordable powerhouse that challenges pricier alternatives. DJI Flip. DJI's lightweight drone marks a fresh direction nearly a decade after its 2016 designs. Its spoke-based folding propeller cages look unconventional, but create a rugged, pocketable frame without sacrificing flight time, still around 30 minutes. Safety features make hand launching simple and common, while AI tracking lets the drone follow you autonomously, turning it into a true selfie drone. The included remote comes in 2 versions, one with a built-in screen or a phone mount, letting you fly traditionally and fully utilize the camera. A 3-axis gimbal keeps footage smooth even in gusty wind, and 2 gigabytes onboard storage helps if you forget a memory card. The enclosed props are a bit noisier and higher pitched, but well worth it for finger-safe flying. So easy to use, even an 8-year-old can handle it. Ideal for vloggers of all ages. Number 3. DJI Mini 4 Pro. This drone builds smartly on the Mini 3 Pro, which redefined ultralight drones with vertical 4K 60 video and front-rear collision sensors. Now, DJI's latest sub-250-gram Marvel offers full 360 degrees obstacle sensing, 10-bit D-Log-M video, waypoint flying, and HDR video at 60 frames per second, features usually reserved for pricier, heavier craft. It also adopts the advanced O4 transmission system for rock-solid range and signal, and works with the upgraded RC2 controller with built-in screen. Some regions even allow a larger battery for over 40 minutes of flight time, though this pushes the weight above the limit and may trigger flight restrictions. With a price creeping close to DJI's bigger models, the Mini 4 Pro isn't cheap, but it proves DJI won't let weight limits stand in the way of serious creative capability. Number 4. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. After a 2-year wait, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro significantly advances flagship drone tech. Its standout feature is the innovative tennis ball gimbal, which rotates a full 90 degrees like the Mini Pro, but also allows smooth Dutch angle shots even when pointed straight down, perfect for creative filming while retaining full optical resolution. The drone excels in improved range, subject tracking, and collision avoidance. In flight, it effortlessly tracked moving subjects and avoided wind-blown trees while keeping the camera locked. The 100-megapixel camera shoots stunning 6K video at 60 fps, Two storage versions exist, 64GB and 512GB, with the larger model supporting all-eye recording for faster editing and superior quality. Number 5. Potensic Atom. Potensic has long targeted the family drone market, but the Atom marks a step up that really impressed me. Its build quality and styling clearly nod to DJI's Mini 2 and its successors, yet it arrives with features DJI's cheapest drones only recently caught up to, like 4K video. Where DJI limits entry-level models with restricted features, no waypoint missions for example, Potensic's Atom offers more freedom, appealing to drone enthusiasts wanting advanced options. The controller's clever extendable design fits even large phones like the iPhone Pro Max, resembling a Nintendo Switch in use. The app is solid and charging is versatile via USB-C ports or a hub with the Fly More kit. Overall, Potensic's learned from competitors and raised its game without a flagship price tag. The Atom is a strong contender that could quickly shed the budget brand label. So, which drone wins in 2025? The DJI Air 3S takes the crown with its unbeatable balance of image quality, flight time, and advanced features, making it the top choice for both beginners and pros alike.